on, guys? HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this pool home for a client in Sun Lake Village. Hang out, check it out too. Alright guys, this is 2256 Jacob Row in Sun Lake Village. It was just listed $599,900. This is a HOA, so there is 30-day minimums, no vacation rentals, but you can still cater to the snowbird market. Of course, all the houses are congruent. So all the homes in here are on natural gas and underground utilities. The HOA dues are about $170 a month. Let's go on and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath pool home built in 2001, 1,752 square feet in Sun Lake Village, just listed $599,900. Nice open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, plank tile floors. Lots of natural light and windows out to the backyard pool area. Cool little kitchen setup with an island and sit-at counters with granite tops. Black stainless appliances. Yeah, reverse osmosis at your sink. Under cabinet lighting, looks like they did upgrades on the cabinet. Nice tile backsplash. This is a split floor plan. So on one side of the house, you have a bedroom by the entry, you have your laundry and garage access, and then a double door into the master. It's a pretty big master suite, has a 8-foot slider out to the backyard pool area. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. You have a nice view of the backyard and pool setup from in here as well. You have a walk-in closet with a skylight. And then the master bath is just kind of open to the living area and the bedroom. You have a soaker tub, solid surface counters, dual sinks, little linen closet, solid surface walk-in shower. Toilet does have its own door. I don't really care for carpet in the bathroom area, but it is what it is. So back on the other side of the house, you have your guest bath. Granite tops in here as well. And then you have a guest bedroom at the front of the house. Big tall window in here as well. 8-foot double glass slider to the closet. So back over off the entry is the 3rd bedroom, which is actually just an office, but they did put an armoire in here that will convey at close of escrow to be able to call it a bedroom. It does have double doors, would make a cool little office. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So you have your indoor laundry and garage door access. So this has a 3-car garage setup. You see how one side kicks out a little bit, so they have the dimensions at 17 feet and 21 feet on this 1-car side. And then there is a 27-foot bay on the other side. Man door out to the backyard pool area. You have your water softener, RO, and water heater, which is on natural gas. All right, let's go check out the pool. So you have a super private backyard to the rear here. Real nice pool with sandstone coping and a little spillway. Looks like there's some water features possibly. Little Baja shelf with some pop-up cleaners and a waterfall cascade at the hot tub. Pretty big hot tub. Again, this is in a pretty desirable area. It's close to Windsor launch ramp and the mall. This is on a solar lease too, by the way. It would have to be paid off in escrow. It's $167 a month. So I have a little correction on the HOA dues. It's actually $230 a month. I was looking at the solar lease, which is $167. Nice full-length covered patio. So you have some extra space back here and paved side RV boat type parking. Pool is heated and all your pool equipment lives behind this wall out of the sun for the most part. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Jacob Row in Sun Lake Village. Again, this one was just listed for $599,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.